Oversleep anything? Oh yeah, I had an early appointment yesterday that I nearly missed. But thank God, Mane-chan's been waking me up recently. I feel like that's out of her job description. I feel bad. Thanks, Mane-chan! Mane-chan alarm clock is kind of bad. She has a routine now. She'll message me like I think like an hour or to like 2 hours before we're supposed to meet to check if I'm awake. And if I don't reply, she'll call me like half an hour before I'm supposed to be, just to make sure I'm awake. That's bad. Thanks, Mom! Thanks, Mom!